Welcome to this lecture. Boolean data types. Boolean data types are values that can only be one of two values, true or false. In Python, true and false are used to represent the two Boolean constants. Some examples of Boolean data types. Shift plus enter to run this cell. True, false. Now we will check the types of true and false. You can see the output of true has a type bool and false has also a type bool. Bool means Boolean. Comparison operators. Comparison operators compare the values of objects. There are 8 comparison operators in Python. For example, operator, less than operator, greater than operator, greater than, equal to operator, not equal to operator, is not operator. Next, the following are some examples of these operators. In this statement, we check whether 10 is less than 12. Shift plus enter. Output is true. Yes, 10 is less than 12. In this statement, we will check 12 is greater than 10. Shift plus enter. It is a true value. Now we check 5 is greater than or equal to 4. Shift plus run. Now we check whether two strings foo bar are equal to each other's. Yes, they are equal. And also check foo bar. Again, yes, they are equal. Now consider the following example. We have a list L which has elements 1, 2, 3. Now list L assigned to another list L2. Now print L2 is L, print L2 is not L. Actually L2 is L. Therefore this statement, the output of this statement is true and the output of second print statement is false. Next we will discuss the logical operators. In the same way, we have logical operators that combine Boolean expressions in Python. The logical operators are not, and or, as described in the following table. Not x means return false if x is true, else false. X and y returns x if x is false, else returns y. X or y returns y if x is false, else returns x. The following is an example of logical operators. We have a list fruits and has elements banana, mangoes, apples. Now we will check. Now we will check whether banana is at index 0 and apple is at index 2. In AND operators, when both conditions are true, then output will be true. Check for this. Shift plus enter. In the next example, the following code shows OR operator, or the following code shows OR operator in action. We take two variables, value 1 assign value 1 variable to assign a value 5 and value 2 variable to assign a value 0. Now we apply the OR operator in this statement. We check whether value 1 is greater than 0 or value 2 is greater than 0. If any condition is true, then the output will be true. Yes, true, because value 1 is greater than 0. See next example. Finally, the following is an example of NOT operator. NOT convert the value, and it means that it converts true into false and false into convert. See the input of these statements. Next, membership operators. The operators in and not in test for membership. All sequences, for example list and string, support these operators. Let's how they work. We have a list number and have elements 1, 2, 3. To check this, one is the member of list number. We use print 1 in number, and also check the 2 in number. Use this statement, and also check the 3 not in this number. Press enter. Next, we check whether 100 is belong to list number. Press enter. False. This means 100 is not in list number. 100 does not belong to list number. Now we will check string data. In this example, we have a sentence: I like beef, mutton, and pork assigned to a variable sentence. Now we check whether word beef is. Now we will check whether word beef is in the sentence. Also we check the mutton in sentence, and also check chicken not in sentence and fish in sentence. To run these statements, press Shift+Enter.